Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Control Panel fast. Press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and hit Enter. Once done, switch the view to large icons if you prefer direct access to every applet. Make sure to use category only when you want group tasks. You should pin Control Panel to start or the taskbar for repeat use. This saves time later. I explain why. Direct icon view reduces hunting, and pinning lets you jump straight into settings when you need quick changes. Now dive into the main sections. Open System and Security to check Windows Update, backup options, and firewall settings because updates keep the system secure. Next, go to Network and Internet to view adapters, change adapter settings, or troubleshoot a Wi-Fi drop. This is where routing and DNS fixes live. Then head to Hardware and Sound to update drivers, configure devices, or adjust power plans so performance balances battery life. Make sure to read status messages before applying changes. To finish, use programs to uninstall or change software. Uninstalling properly avoids leftover files. Once removed, run troubleshooting tools for network, audio, or hardware to let Windows diagnose and apply fixes automatically. This often saves manual steps. If a change breaks things, restore defaults in the specific applet or run system, restore to revert to a known good point. One troubleshooting tip: if Control Panel options are missing, restart Explorer or reboot. Services and permissions can block applets until a restart clears them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.